Good morning, class. Now uh, I'm going to discuss. I'll show you the video about on how to create a miss game. This is work week 3 activity. Okay. So first, I'm going to open my Scratch. Let's see. Oops. Okay, this is it. This is my Scratch program features. Now I'm going to download the maze features. Okay, but since I have already here, so I'm going to find it where not in the library. It's not in the library. Okay. Cancel. Okay, so I will select this backdrop. Then here, since I have already this one, so I'm going to click only this. Okay, maze game, and then this one. Okay, now here it is, but this is very small, so I have to shrink it. How you can say shrink it? Select, go to backdrop, and then select this one, and then increase. Okay, you see, I increase also here. Okay, now what's next is I'm going to now I'm going to click this one, remove the sprite and change it, delete, and then find in the library. You can choose anything you want. Let's say for example I don't like this one. I'm going to change it again. I make it as penguin, or it's up to you what you want to select, but for me I prefer the penguin, this one in front, then click OK. Now this is my penguin, so I will delete this boy, write down delete, write down anything, delete. Then here I will make it shrink. Okay, then I will put it here. Let's say I want to put it, but this is too small, this is too big, so I will shrink it again. Okay, that's it. So for example here I will make it. Now of course you cannot do anything for that one if you did not put the script, so you have to put the script here. So first is when click, right? So if you I click this green flag, nothing happens. So I'm going to put the script now when click. So when click, it means once I click this green flag, it will run. Okay, then I will select this motion to set the rotation. So I will check where's the set rotation. I think it's not here. Okay, set rotation, where's one? Okay, set. Okay, here, set rotation start, and then click here. I put it here, drop down, or drag, sorry, and then go to Y, X, and Y. Why I choose X and Y? Because of the movement of the penguin. So here, let's say I will make it negative 95. Wait, negative 95. My x-axis, and then my y-axis is 140. I did not put any positive negative because it will come up. Okay, now of course how you can run this penguin, so using arrow. Okay, arrow key. So where I can find the arrow key, so click this control, check if there is an arrow when it was on then here let's say when space, then press keyboard. Because why I choose this one? Because of the keyboard. Okay, now here press what? First is I will make it into up arrow. Okay, once I touch this, once I click this up arrow, it will come up. Okay, then change, since up arrow, it means that is y-axis positive, so I will find it here. Where is the change y? This one, change y by 10. Y by 10 because of the movement going up. Okay, so I will not put negative because this is positive. Up arrow is positive, down arrow is negative. Okay, but this is y-axis. Next is again I will select the when space arrow. Why I choose again this one? So for movement of down arrow. Okay, again motion, find the check. Okay, change y by y again. Then here you have to put negative sign, negative 10, the movement. So you have now the y. So let's see what will happen. Okay, this one, right? Next is the x-axis. So again, click when, no, events again, here, and then left arrow. So left arrow, if it's left arrow, what's the movement, x or y? Of course it's x-axis. Okay, so again I will find the x-axis, change, okay, this one. Then here, have you noticed that I'm going to put, because the movement is, what the movement is, down arrow. So if it's down arrow, left arrow, sorry, left arrow means negative. So I will put it here, negative. Okay, negative 10. Again, what we need again, we have already the up arrow, positive. Okay, here I forgot to put it, down arrow, negative, then left arrow, and then now again events, here again change by x. We have already y down, so we can use the x also, but we have also here left arrow is negative, so it means the right arrow, so we need the right arrow become positive. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So nothing happened, so it's something happened now. Okay, now we did not put the sensing. Okay, so if you use the sensing, so of course we need to select again when click. Okay, when click here, we'll put here, and then control forever. Why forever? To continuous running the program. Okay, and then why I choose if it's statement, and then, right, I will choose this one, if and then put it here in the down of forever. And then here, if there is a statement of once they touch this black color, it will go back to the their place. Okay, so I will select where we can find the touching, in sensing. So in sensing, touching color. Why I choose touching color? Because of the color, if they touch this black color, it will go back to what, in the same place, in the original place. Okay, touching, then here click, then select this black color, it becomes black now. Right now, what will happen? Nothing yet, right? So I'm going to go to xy again. Where is go to xy and x and y? Same also what we put here, so we have to do it also in if statement. So negative 95 and 140. So let's see what will happen. Okay, now let's see if they touch this one. What happened? Why? Okay, I will make it here now. Okay, now here I think we have to change this one. Okay, now let's see. See now, if they touch this one, so you don't again here, if they touch this, see, it will come. So that's it. So this is how you can create the maze game. Okay, bye class.